Hey YouTube, how's it going? Spec M Auto is back with another video today. This is actually the very first video I am making in my new apartment, so this is interesting. So I officially have a garage again, so that's freaking awesome. So today's video is going to be very sweet, simple, and to the point. Let's go ahead and come out here and take a look. Okay guys, so when you come in here, you're gonna see this brake pedal, right? Just take a look at this thing. It is so massacred. There's exposed metal coming through this brake pad. It's so worn, it's ridiculous. And I think quite frankly, it's very hideous. So this is gonna be a short, sweet, to the point tutorial video, no BS. I'm going to show you a really quick way to replace this. And great news, everybody. You don't have to worry about taking this entire brake assembly out. You don't have to take the whole brake thing out. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Alright, so now we're going to come over here. And right away, you'll see it. Literally just a rubber pad. It is a little bit worn, but it is a heck of a lot better than seeing the exposed metal. So I got this out of a 2012 Honda Civic. So a lot of these are compatible with multiple Honda and Acura products. I know 7th gen, 8th gen, 9th gen Civics have these. I believe the 2000s Honda Accords have these. Into the early mid 2010s they have these too. So we're gonna go ahead and come over here. So you can literally just go to the junkyard and pull a nice one or decent one like this one out of any Honda, and it's a really quick and easy. So you literally just kind of take your fingers here and start peeling away at it. And just like that, old one pops off. Then we can go and pop the new one on. Alright guys, so now we're going to be slipping on our brake pad to our pedal. This is probably going to be a little bit complicated at first, but it's overall not hard. You just gotta carefully slide the rubber around the lip. There we go. Just like that. Check it out. Isn't that so much better, y'all? Alright, guys. So much better. Just look at that before and after comparison. Junk. Now this can go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Have a good time. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Very quick, simple, and to the point. Very small and quick tutorial. I know I haven't been on YouTube in forever, guys. As you can see around me. Life's been very busy for me. Very crazy, very hectic. I feel like I haven't had a free week or weekend in eternity. Lots of fun new things in life, though, so I'm really excited. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends and family, and most of all, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified of each upload. Have a good day.